Alright guys, today we are at the Little Neshaminy off of Street Road. It's a little creek that we're going to fish today. Probably just do some panfish fishing again, just to, make sure we catch something. And also, this is basically what you're going to catch out of here. There's probably bass and stuff in here, like I don't see why there wouldn't be. Oh man, that looks saucy. Let's get out here, give it a little look. I'll walk in first just to give it a look. Oh, there's some turtles. Man, what a bank this is. That is nice. I'm sure there are bass in here. I don't see why there wouldn't be. Oh, yeah. Man, this is nice. Sure. But yeah, Little Neshaminy, guys. This is it. Let's get started. All right, guys, just got our panfish magnet stuff out. I'm debating on what color. It's a little murky. It's not terrible, but there is some shade around here, so I think I'm going to go either solid gold or this white tannish color. Or I could try this out. This might work pretty well, the gold and black. Haven't used one of the red ones yet, or the pink. Does pink work pretty good? What? Pink work pretty good?
Yeah, it does. All of them work.
We're going to go black and gold. I think that's a good color. Let's go black and gold. I feel like it'll work pretty well. Let's get a hook out and rig it up and put it on a rod, and we're gonna start fishing. All right, guys, got the little golden black panfish magnet, trout magnet tied on here. It's gonna be a little interesting to cast because don't really got any room here.
A little bass, a little largy. Oh, smoking a cigar. Give him a fat doink. You want a fat doink? I'll give you a fat doink. Stop flopping around, you at. I don't know.
I know what color was working really well last time I used a trout magnet. It was that green. I think I'm gonna try that color. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take off the golden black and we're gonna try out the neon green. Get back to you guys as soon as I'm done tying this on. Look, guys, got the black and neon color tied on. Hopefully this catches something. Gonna give it a little whirl. Let's close my thing up real quick. All right, let's give it a whirl. It's a little sunny on this spot. Tried the gold, it didn't really work out too well, but this usually gets me something. I think it's the neon color. We have a fish. Nice. It's in the tree. It is a bluegill. It's a bluegill. 1 and 1. It's a little bluegill. Man, it's been a while since we caught one of those. Usually it's sunnies, bass. Usually it's sunnies and bass. We haven't really caught a bluegill.
Not a bluegill?
Yeah, it's a little bluegill.
Oh, nice. That's something for you.
There we go. Nice. That's one. I will say that last video, the fishing lure challenge, that was really, it took such a long time to edit, but it was really fun to edit. So I think we'll definitely see more stuff like that in the future. And there is a fish. There's a couple fish out there. Guys, we're gonna move locations. Both of us have one fish at this little spot. Tristan's got a little largie, and I had a little bluegill. Bluefin? I do not have a bluefin. I have a bluegill. But yeah, so we're gonna move spots, and yeah, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are decided to go back to Pennypack. A little Pennypack fishing again, just for some fishing.
By me, because you have a small one.
Yeah, I can. Oh, hold up. Oh, damn.
Yeah, it does fly.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Does it? On the bank, it's much harder than wading. Oh, I almost had him. Yo, Sonny's right at me. Nice little Sonny. Nice little Sonny. 2 on a day. Right here, nice little Sonny. Nice size. At least it's not like 90 degrees out. Rock bass, rock bass. Sonny.
It's a big one.
That's
going with it?
Yeah, I'm seeing if it would pull drag or not. Dang, holy cow! Look at this.
That is a big one. Is that 400 actually?
Big old Sonny right here. Dang, that's the size of my hand.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. You guys get the pink and purple one tied on. Rigged up. Whatever the heck you want to call it. I just want to catch a fish.
At least one.
At least one out of here, man. Oh, yes, finally. Something like that. It's a good one. Oh, yeah. Size of my hand. Give or take. Yeah, a little bit less. It's pretty good. What? Yeah, give or take. Yeah, around there. All right. That's 2 on the day for me. Let's give this guy a nice little release. Nice. Okay, he's good to go. Hey, I mean, I caught a fish again, I guess. Hey, what do you know? Maybe I'll just... 2 casts in a row. Yep. He's still on the hook. But yes, I did. Might have to grab him the old way because I can't get the freaking hook out. There we go. Another little Sonny. Another good one. All right. It's 3 fish. Just I'm creeping back up, pal.
Alright guys, I switched my color of my trout magnet to the peachy color that I caught the catfish on last video. So let's see how this does. Because that peachy color is not a normal color. It's faded away. That's why. It was a pink color. But it just faded away into like an orange. So a bright orange pink color. Looks like a nice good old sunset color, peach color. So let's see what I could do. See if I could catch up to Nate. Got one. They like this. Yeah, I got a little one. A little sunny.
Holy good lord. That is huge.
Oh,
Oh.
holy cow. How about this at the door? There. Ow. Look that.
Ow. I did. And he hooked me. Oh, that's a chunker.
Holy cow. That's a chunker.
That is bigger.
Yeah, that is way big.
Nice. Tied up. Yeah. A nice little release. Here. I'll let you cast a couple of times right in here. See that big rock right there?
Yeah, let me film.
As soon as you cast it, just buttload of sunnies went for it. I'll let you cast one, just to be nice. I'll let you catch one fish out here, and then I want my spot back.
All right, man. Thank you, man. Oh, that rock right there in the sun.
Yeah. So, with stuff like that, that's the time you want to promote the channel. Put it on the rock.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good. That's when you want to try and promote the
Oh,
channel.
no.
That's when you want to try and promote the channel. Be like, yeah, we're actually filming a YouTube video right now.
Yeah. My
That's all
bad.
you gotta say, because then, well, it's like, oh, what's the channel for? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It'll help possibly get views. And it's fine though. You could have told him peace out. He has it.
Yeah, I know. I'm pulling him in.
Oh, that's a good one.
Holy cow!
My spot back. Oh, that is a chunk.
That's it.
Yeah,
look at it.
Why'd you eat it like that, man?
I know, that's fine.
Looks like,
I'll give you your spot back.
Thank you.
It's all hot, that's why. In that spot.
Alright.
That gotta hurt, dude. You know how guess how he landed?
How do you land?
His side hit this rock right here, right behind you.
Oh, dang.
Just back to the bridge.
Tied up. 5-5. I gotta grab him.
Huh?
I have to grab him. The hook was in the way of me lipping him. All right, 5-5 on the day. Not sure what the score is total, but I still am in the lead. Literally just went up 5 each person, so it's a good sign. It's a good sign. Let's see who gets to 100 first. If it goes the way this is going, it's gonna be me. But if I just keep pacing with them, it'll work. I might. Six. Number 6. Number 6. It's a little guy. All right. I am +1. At least they're somewhat eaten now. Seven. Another one. Number 7. From Walton Run. Yep. Holy good lord. Oh, he just smacked the rock. Yeah. Holy good. Look at that one. That is a chunker. Dude, his lips are huge. That's what I was saying. Yeah. Shut up. It's a good one. I sounded like Kylie Jenner there for a second. Number 8. There we go. Number 8. Nice. All right, guys, we cracked double digits. 10. Wait, no, 9. No, 10. Yeah. And this hook will not come out. There we go. That's a good one too. They're all like pretty similar size, but pretty good ones. All right, there we go. Double digits, I believe. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for our little creek fishing video. Some pretty good sunnies caught today, don't you think?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, some of them the size of my hand, some of the size of Tristan's hand, and yeah, it's a couple dinks, but that's always gonna happen when you go fishing. Yeah, I caught 9 fish total today. Tristan caught, I think, 6. So yeah, it wasn't terrible. 15 fish total. I'll put the numbers, the score up with these fish caught today. And yeah. All right, that's going to do it for the video. Evans Bros out.